never happens. Whoa, why are you doing that? That never happens. Losing autofocus. Come on. Keep that autofocus in. He saw it. Look, losing autofocus again. Which way are you going to go? Losing autofocus. Come on already. Look at this. Come on. Super, thank you. Welcome back, everyone. This is Robert at Custodian File. Today is 2/20/25. Thank you for tuning in. All right, let's talk about some UFOs, these UAP fast-moving dragons. I call them dragons because 7 years ago I thought they were dragonflies, bugs, birds, nothing like that. What we're looking at here, if you're a long viewer, you recognize this helicopter, the red, white, and blue. That's the Edison chopper. They come in every once in a while. They're looking around. They ask the Edison chopper to come in because of their highly advanced thermal cameras. As these dragons, you can see them in the IR spectrum. And of course, the Edison has really nice cameras to get that job done. Right here, this is very unusual. Edison flies in, flies out. They never circle. They never circle the wetlands, but that's what he's doing here. So he came in and circled, got tagged, and took off. And when he was leaving, got tagged. I've added the contrast. They're very fast. They're just very fast. So it was just right there on top. What can I say? I mean, you've seen this chopper. Look at that right there, just tagging the Edison over and over. And I think, there it is. And it made a U-turn and it comes back just seconds later. But that's him flying circles, and that's never been done because there'd be no reason. Why would Edison chopper fly circles over wetlands, 600 acres of swamp? You wouldn't unless you saw that. Obviously, the pilot saw it and was going after it. So the overall, generally speaking, I'd say in the last 2 months, there has been an increase and urgency on the pilot's part. Urgency like the Edison, the LAPD, like a sense of urgency. We need to figure this out. And in order to figure that out, you got to fly in and be much more aggressive. You just can't come in and fly out. You got to circle a few times. And there it is. There's that red, white, and blue chopper over the same airspace over and over. This is like, some of you are like saying, Robert, this is getting too easy for you to do. What are they doing? There's something going on with the jetty rocks. We've had 3 major research vessels put those jetty rocks under a microscope. The Orange Investigator, the Ocean Investigator, the Decisive, and the USS Gabriella Gifford. They put a submarine underwater right there at the jetty rocks. The best theory going is there's a lot of methane. The gas company's right here. They're pumping methane in the ground. I believe it's from Texas. And, it's going to leak out. It's going to leak out in the wetlands. It's going to leak out in the ocean right there. It's going to bubble out. Possibly these dragons are using that for fuel until we can come up. But at the same time, 33 miles away is that Malibu underground base. So nothing's off the table. We're all doing our best here. We're all just trying to brainstorm and figure this out. And we're being forced to do this on our own. We're not getting any help from the universities or from NASA. Nothing. That's not right. That's just not right. That's a poor reflection on science. Yeah, someday somebody's going to have to address that issue. Where were you guys? Where were you guys back in 2022, 23, 24, 25. Why were you making the public figure this out? Why didn't you step up? Boy, I don't see an easy way to wiggle out of that. I really don't. NASA, you really need to step up. Start helping us. Okay, if you like what you see, please remember to like, subscribe, comment. I want to hit that 12,000 ceiling as soon as possible. Let's go to the next. Okay, just real quick, if you want to check out Brad's channel here, he's just getting going. I did a podcast with him. I think it went really well. It was like 2.5 hours. And I will be doing a show with the Backyard Professor this Sunday. You may want to check that out. So I'm trying to get the word out. I'm talking to everybody, no matter how large or small the interest is. I'm talking to everybody, and I'm getting the word out there. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Let's go forward. Please remember to check out Undercover ET. Robert's doing a great job over there in the UK. UK is doing a fantastic job recording these UAP fast-moving dragons. People are just sending them videos. That's where they're all coming in now. That's what it is. The audience is just going outside. They're like, they're kind of curious. They have an open mind. It doesn't cost you anything to try. They pull their camera out. They're sending in videos. They're sending in these clicking videos. These videos are making clicking sounds. They're flying behind objects. And then they're just searching YouTube, air shows. But they're just everywhere now, everywhere. If you find them, do a screenshot. If you want to search YouTube, I prefer you do it on your computer. It's a lot easier. Real fast, you don't have to necessarily watch them at 0.25. You can watch them regular speed, and then within a couple days, you can go up to 200% fast forward. If you think you see a dragon, hit K for pause, and then go arrow forward, frame by frame forward, arrow backwards, frame by frame backwards, till you find the dragon. Do a screenshot and share with the rest of us. Okay, if you have any questions, please remember to like, subscribe, comment. Let's go forward. Check out these lights presented by Cosmic Road. Jack, thank you very much. There's some strange lights going on. This was in China here. It's to be taken pretty serious. When UAPs and UFOs do that, they're talking to us. They're saying, hey, we're trying to get your attention. We're not trying to interfere with your free will, but we're trying to get your attention. So please check this out. I mean, it's so hard to keep up with all the UFO news. I appreciate a lot of the viewers that you're sending me. You're keeping me updated. You're keeping me updated with the Homeland Security chasing that dragon last September. That's what it's about. We just got a network. Leave a comment. I'll look into it. Let's help one another. We network this information. We will effectuate disclosure 2025. It's just, at this point, really, how are you going to stop it? You're not. It's just, the government can pretend, well, we don't talk about it. It doesn't exist. Yeah, it's not 1950 anymore. That logic, that psychology is not going to work. People are so much smarter now. You're not going to buffalo us. You're not going to lie to us. You're not going to gaslight us. It's over. It's over. Just talk the truth. And especially a lot of the young people out there, you figured it out. You know when you're being BS and you don't want to hear it anymore. And really, you guys are making a big difference in a positive way. Share this information. Let's get it out there. Put Disclosure 2025 behind us and go on to the next big challenge, whatever that is. All right, let's go forward. Dragon. Okay, super. What do you think of this one? The LAPD coming in. They're doing the best. They're doing a fantastic job. They really are. They're pushing their helicopters as hard as they are designed to fly. Look at this. As you know, they do leave audio clicks 8% of the time. This was really loud, obviously. Like, ba-boom. Like, even in slow motion, it sounds even more wicked. So there you go. I understand the bug theory, but bugs do not leave an audio click on your video. They do not fly behind helicopters because there's no camera on planet Earth that can see a bug flying behind an aircraft. When they do fly behind aircraft, they can leave an X-ray image so you see the corona silhouette, a ghost image of the image itself. and they trigger the X and K band spectrum. If you have a car radar detector, and if you're on the East Coast, please get a hold of a car radar detector, point it at the sky, and record at the same time with your cell phone. That will go off. A UFO will trigger it, and you will have documented it, and you'll be famous, because I need one of those videos, an X-ray. I need an X-band video from New Jersey here with all these UFOs flying around. But there you go. I mean, that's lucky, huh? The sound on this. Sometimes it's a tiny click. It never gets old. It never gets old. I have 5,000 videos. It never gets old. It's like, what is going on here? Again, we need to figure it out. I mean, some of you are really super intelligent, and you're probably saying, you know, Robert, I could figure this out as long as I know it's real, as long as I'm not wasting my time. I will use all my academic skills and I will figure it out. So please, I think I presented enough evidence. So a lot of us are calling upon your gifted skills. Help us figure out what it is, no matter what the truth is. Maybe this is a bug from the future. Maybe it's an unknown species of something. It's regardless if it's if it's made here on Earth now, or if it's from our future, or if it's from another planet. It doesn't matter. Let's just tell me what is going on. Too many of these things, too predictable. They're coming in all over the world. Let's figure it out. Fantastic. Okay, if you have any questions, I would like to hear from you. Help me break that 12,000 ceiling. Until the next video, thank you very much for watching. Take care.